special.
Yeah, this one's a pig face.
Started good. It's a big pig. But it's a flat pig. No, that's horrible.
There's like 2 left to peel. Are you taking video?
Yeah, a little one.
Because it's big.
More to unwrap.
Something evil.
Yeah, you can tell by your face.
Something evil.
What is it?
It's a pot.
It's a pot holder.
A
A pot holder. It's a pot holder, Nana.
It doesn't look like
No, that's not funny. I don't know what it is. Oh, God.
You gotta feel how soft it is.
Something nice.
It is. It's a pot holder.
It is not.
Nana, feel how soft it is.
Did you make it yourself out of fur balls?
No, a cat manufactured it itself.
Where in the hell did you get this? It's from the stray cat that lives on the patio.
I told you she made it
It fell off its back.
It was a great big mat that was on its back. I pulled it off one day, and I said, I'm saving this. This is a present for somebody. Here you go. Happy birthday. Oh, that's good. I hope there's Jesus in it. Oh, my God.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, that's
And it ran around for like 2 weeks with it like just dangling by like a couple of
off,
pieces.
and then I just grabbed it one day and ripped it off. Yeah, it was, imagine, this was on its back. It was like all matted. So yeah, it was, because I cut it down, it was significantly larger. You shaped it. See, I turned it into a beautiful Pomeranian shape. That was good.
I think that has to be kept and passed on.
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Who gets it next?
This is I was going to try to turn it into a hat. There were so many things I could have done, but this is what we decided to do, a pot holder.
And how come you cut it down? You didn't let it be.
Well, because it